Allow yourself to find a comfortable position, just starting to slow down. Checking in with yourself as you gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Breathe in deeply, intentionally sending your breath to your lower abdomen, noticing if your upper chest is wanting to move as well as you inhale, and practicing breathing only with your belly. If you'd like, place one hand over your lower abdomen and one on your chest. Pay attention here to the movements of these areas with each breath. Thank yourself for showing up for this practice. It can be such a challenge to take just a moment for yourself, especially in the midst of a busy day. Allow the corners of your mouth to curl upwards, forming a smile. Acknowledge this gift of pausing and just breathe. Notice any areas of tension in your body. Breathe deeply into these spaces, releasing pressure, giving yourself the opportunity for stress to melt away, while also knowing that it is perfectly okay to be feeling however you may be feeling right now. Acknowledge it, name it, describe it if that feels easier, and breathe. Just breathe. That is all you have to do right now. Let this practice be free of judgment, criticism, inner battling. Whatever you may be experiencing, allow it to be so. Accepting its presence, observing the wisdom of your body, how it tries to communicate with us, how it tries to protect us. Say thank you here to your body, even if it feels awkward to do so. Just take a moment to acknowledge all that it does for you. We will close out this practice with a few deep belly breaths. Inhaling through the nose, belly expanding, and exhaling through the lips. Again, inhaling to fill the belly, holding for a moment at the very top, and letting a sigh escape on the exhale. Return your breath to a natural rhythm as you slowly open your eyes, reorient to your environment, and enter into the rest of your day.